Hi everybody, this is on chapter 13, right, lesson 4, so it will be on cylinder. Alright, so let us go through the solo success criteria. So before this, let's recall some things that is on circle of area of circle is pi r square. Alright, so you need to know that. Before that, the previous lesson, you should already know how to calculate the volume of a prism, right? And how do you determine the total surface area of a prism? So that is on the previous lesson. Okay, so this lesson you need to know what is a cylinder, right? And how does the net of a cylinder looks like, right? Just take note, you do not need to know how to draw, but you need to know how to visualize it, right? So main thing what we're going to learn will be on over here, the volume of cylinder, and as well as the surface area of the cylinder. So these two are the key thing. Alright, so cylinder, similar to prism, there are different types. So we are going to look at the closed cylinder, the open cylinder, and the pipe. So these are the three different types. Alright, so the main thing will be on at least the success criteria level 3. Alright, after that, level 4 will be more on the word problems and more advanced more word problem. Alright, so what is a cylinder? Now, as you can see from your notes, right, a cylinder basically is very similar to a prism. Right, prism, so we have like this one is a pentagon base, a hexagon base, and then as we add more and more sides until we have infinite sides, it becomes a cylinder. So you can imagine it getting more and more round, right? So the edge is like this, so it get more and more round as you have more edges. Right, so how do you draw the net of a cylinder? So now over here I have a piece of paper. Right, piece of paper. Now if you turn it this way, roll it rectangle, right? It basically turns into a pipe. This is a pipe. Okay, so what is a pipe? Is basically open. See, both sides are open. So if I open up, it's a rectangle. Right, a rectangle. So now the unshaded region here, if we open it up, it becomes a rectangle. Right, and this rectangle, right, we basically call it the curved surface area. Alright, this is what we call the curved surface area. Something to take note, curved surface area is not the circle. Right, the circle is flat. It is 2D. It is flat, so it is not curved. This at the side here is the curved surface area. Alright.